Hi everyone, I'm Dina with the Sephora Pro team, and today I'm back with another hair tutorial. I'm really excited. I had so much fun creating this hair look for you. It is festival inspired. So I've got a braid, I've got some crimping going on, I've got some curls. I actually used two hot tools. Stay tuned, I wanna show you guys how to create the look. And just so you know, festival hair is not only for people going out to festivals, but you can actually wear them on a daily basis. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll show you guys how to create this. So the first step is to use Drybar Hot Toddy Heat and UV Protectant on wet hair. So right after I got out of the shower, I applied a dollop to my hair and let it air dry. Next, I'm using T3 WHIRL Trio Interchangeable Styling Wand, and I like to start curling the back and then moving my way forward. In this style, I'm crimping and curling my hair. Curling my hair will give me a lot of texture, and it'll update this crimping look to a more modern and fresh take. I like to do it also because it gives my hair a little bit more movement and body. So I take about 1-inch sections and I'm going to curl the whole head. So my curls are done. Next, I'm just brushing out the curls so they feel a little bit more loose and I can see the pattern very clearly, but I don't want them to be too tight. So I'm just running my fingers through them. Now comes the fun part. I'm using Drybar Big Crimpin Crimping Iron. And this is a really easy tool that has different heat levels. So I set it on like the mid-tone. And then I'm just taking one of the strands in the back, again, starting from the back, working my way forward, and just gently doing 2 soft crimps towards the top of my hair and 2 more soft crimps on the bottom. And this will give more of that modern, fresh take on crimping. I don't necessarily want to crimp every strand of hair. I like the idea of having some waves and crimps mixed in. So I'm just taking the more noticeable strands of my hair and crimping them. I wanted to make sure that the crimps were about in the same location at the top and on the bottom, so the look is a little more cohesive. Now I'm repeating this step on the other side and trying to make sure again that the crimps are in the same area. And now you guys can see that by adding the crimp, it's really starting to take on that festival look. Now I'm using Verb C Texture Spray. This gives me really great body and gives my hair a little bit more texture and slight hold. I like to spray it throughout the hair entirely, so I'll just lift parts of the hair and let it fall as I spray. Next, I'm going to braid my hair, so the C Texture Spray really adds a little bit more of that grit that I need to keep it all in place. Now I'm going to start my braid. I decided to braid this side of my hair, but you can honestly do either or. And I am doing a reverse French braid technique where you're just like braiding right underneath and you're not braiding the hair over. This allows me to get a little bit more volume and for the braid to really stand out. I decided to stop my braid right behind the ear, but you can always braid through if you wanted more of that design. And I secured it with a hair elastic and some bobby pins. To give a little bit more life to my braid, I'm pulling out a few strands and it gives a lot more volume and texture. Now that I've got the braid done, I'm going to add a couple more bobby pins to keep it in place and just secure the whole thing. Next, I'm using IGK Swipe Up No Frizz Smoothing Hair Wipes. These are so much fun and they're great for curing any frizz or static in the hair. I'm noticing a little static in my hair and I definitely don't want frizzy, crimpy hair, so I'm going to smooth that out. What's really fascinating about these is that they have avocado and camellia oil, and it's a really lightweight oil that I actually didn't even feel in my hair. You can swipe these on the top and throughout the hair. And if you're going to a festival, these are festival ready because they're individually wrapped. The last step is to use Moroccanoil Luminous Hairspray Strong Finish. I spray this along my braid and throughout the hair. This will help with any sort of humidity and keeping my hair in place all day. All right, well, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, definitely do that so then you guys are in the know. And if you guys have any other comments or if you guys actually have some suggestions on what hairstyles I should create for you, I would love to hear them in the comments below. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.